is one of our messiest, and we love it. Please welcome back science guy Steve Spangler. All I know is electric pickle. I try not to know anything that's going on out here. So what's electric? You want to start with that?
Yeah, let's do that. Right?
There's a pickle.
So reach into the jar and grab a conductor of electricity. That's what this is.
Great.
It's a conductor of electricity. It's just a regular pickle.
Sure is.
And we have to tell people, don't try this at home.
Don't try it at home.
Now,
this part you can. You can just take a pickle out of a jar.
Right.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the electricity part, no. All right. So here's what happens. This is a fairly old device. We're gonna plug it in here in just a minute.
Okay.
And that light bulb will go on if those wires were touching, but they're not touching right now. So the pickle is going to be the bridge for those two wires.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So here we go. And it works because it's salty, and so I can just make sure it's not plugged in.
The salty is what.
Because if it's plugged in and I touch it, then you only get one experiment.
Okay.
All right. So that's it. So here we go.
We need to fill time in the show. So.
Yeah. So, all right. So that's perfect. All right.
Yep.
So now I'm going to plug this in, and if it works, it might light up. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. See how that works? That's kind of cool. All right, so now watch this. If they dim the lights, so watch this. If they dim the lights, we now put the electricity through the pickle. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So you actually send the little electrons through there and scares the kids on Halloween. Don't touch it, whatever you do, all right? So is that fun? So is that salt water kind of the conductor of electricity?
Yeah.
So we just kind of gather around at night and watch it with our kids, but that's it. All right, so now we're going to take this off here, and now I have to turn it off. Good. All right, so here, hold on just a second. And now we're okay.
Electric pickle.
And we're fine,
and
so
now,
you're just fine.
There it goes. Put back, and no one will ever know.
That's perfect. Kind of shake it up. They'll never know that. Perfect. Hey, you know, I'm from Colorado, and so in Colorado we have a lot of snow. And so I was kind of thinking a lot of people haven't seen snow before, so let's make snow.
Okay.
All right. So hold on to the powder here. Okay.
What is this?
It's nuclear waste. No, it's not. It's think of it as tiny little microscopic sponges. We call it Insta snow. Right? So pour it inside.
But what is it, though?
Well, I'm going to tell you, it's a little secret. But then at the end, I'm going to show you because you'll be amazed. Yeah, you can kind of pour it in.
Okay.
So it's a polymer. It's a super absorbent polymer.
Okay.
Right. So that's perfect.
Right.
And so now I'm going to take the water and we're going to pour it in, and just don't take your eyes off of it.
Okay.
Okay. So watch this.
All right.
It's going to hopefully absorb all the water. Ready?
Really?
So watch this. So it goes really fast. Good. So it's a little messy. All right. So now watch this. So this is kind of fun. Now watch what happens. See? It starts to absorb and it starts to fluff just a little bit. And now here, hold out your hands. This is the fun part. Ready? So go ahead. Hold out your hands. It's okay. Hold out your hands. It's good. It's good. It just keeps going and going. This is actually get fun.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
So it's actually a derivative of what's in a baby's diaper.
Yeah.
All right. So, but see, they can't put this in a diaper because every time tinkle, tinkle, then puff, explode. So feel this here. Get your hand. It's
I don't want to anymore. No, I felt it. It's fantastic.
It's kind of. Is that just a weird feeling?
Cool.
And
very
it's
cool.
snow.
And it's fun too. It
absolutely.
feels good.
Absolutely. Don't slip. All right. So don't slip.
Okay.
Because electricity and snow—that's a really good combination, isn't it? All right. Hey, you know what? For this next experiment, we need a guest, and so I understand that you have a guest that can kind of come down and help us out.
I see a name here, Tina Hatfield.
There she is.
Hi, Tina. I have stuff on my hands. I mean, this is Tina. I have pickle and I have
nice to meet you.
baby diaper on my hands. So,
all right. So here's what I need to have you do for me, if you don't mind.
I guess you were picked because you said you were up for anything. That's what you said. Somebody told me.
So where the safety glasses,
where do you live?
if you don't mind.
Coeur d'Alene, Idaho.
You don't have a mic, do you? You didn't bring a mic with you.
No.
All right, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and what do you do there?
I'm a legal assistant.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for being here.
And now you're going to be in a lab coat, all right? So here, put on the lab coat.
Do I have to put glasses on, too?
Yes, I would put glasses on. Is that good? All right, you look great. And I'd kind of like button it up just a little tiny bit there. That's perfect, all right? So now, here, I better put these on. All right, so now, Ellen, when you were a kid and you had like little magic tricks or whatever, you remember disappearing ink?
No, I never had a magic trick. Steve, go ahead.
Okay. Well, this is then maybe this will be your first one. This is disappearing ink, and so I wanted to show you how it kind of works. So here, come off to the side if you don't mind here like this. So here's what you're going to do is I'm going to take the ink, and let's just say that you were in like a little accident, and this just kind of happened. See how that works? All right, so here, Ellen, you can have a little accident there. There you go. Now, what's cool about this is an acid-base indicator, which means that if you blow on this, all right, so that's a lot. So if you blow on this like this, it goes back colorless because there's an acid in the air, and that acid is carbon dioxide. See how that kind of works? Now, this is the Ellen Show, and the problem is that doesn't happen really all that fast, all right? So I was just kind of thinking that this will happen just a little bit faster. See? So, in my mind, see how it changes back faster now? Because this is just carbon dioxide. Here, turn this way. See? And it's a perfect way to get the stain out, I was kind of thinking. So, like magic. Here, hold on just a second. Here we go. See, like magic, it's gone. So isn't that fun? Perfect. I know.
When we come back, we are going to do a very, very risky, fun, crazy experiment. I have not seen it. I don't know what it is, but it's something scary.
It's going to be fun, I promise.
Yes, all right. I'm sure it will. All right, and we're going to get you a little gift for doing this. We'll be right back after this.
I've never actually really done this before, so it might be a really good idea. You stand behind the shield.
That's
okay?
what I was thinking.
So 3, 2, 1.
Steve Spangler, the science guy, and I don't know what we're doing, but I'm covered.
Put on the cool safety glasses, all right? All right. So most of the air that we breathe is nitrogen, and if you took all that air and you compressed it and you got it really cold, you could make liquid nitrogen. So that's what this is right here. Okay. So this is liquid nitrogen. So put on your gloves.
Very scary.
We're gonna make a little cloud, so that's why you have your raincoat on, just in case people are wondering. All right. So this goes here like this, and so now I want you to hang on to it. It's 320 degrees below zero. Okay. So I'm gonna just kind of scoop some up like this. So this is our liquid nitrogen here. So it looks like water, but it's not. And so here, watch this. This is hot water. So if you take some of this liquid nitrogen and pour it into the hot water, I want you to see the little cloud that we make. Ready? Okay.
Oh.
So, no, dump the whole thing in. Okay. That's fun. See how that works?
Yes.
Here, so watch this. See, isn't that kind of cool how that just kind of goes everywhere?
Yes, it's very cool.
That's kind of fun. All right. So this is like hot, this is liquid nitrogen going into hot water, and we're creating this little cloud that's here. I was just thinking if we did it over here that was bigger, that would be more fun.
Yes, it would be.
So come over with me, let's just do this, all right? All right, so come on over here. Now, this is a bigger tub, so this is gonna hold about, no, it's okay, you can come over. Because you got your glove, I mean, you're fine, all right? So
that's what you said when I had the glasses on. Okay.
You know what? I think that I've never actually really done this before, so it might be a really good idea. You stand behind the shield.
That's what I was thinking.
So this is the liquid nitrogen. So we need about 20 liters or so of the liquid nitrogen. Okay.
Yep.
All right. So this is. Let's just see what that looks like. Oh, we need more. All right. Now the directions call for about 1.5 liters. But I was just kind of thinking that this would be good. All right, so I think that'll be perfect. All right? All right, so now, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to come back here with you. All right, so here's the deal. I'm going to pour the hot water into the liquid nitrogen, and then you'll just see a little cloud appear.
Okay.
Okay? All right, see you later. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Pretty awesome. Isn't that fun?
Is everybody all right? Steve Experience, log on our website. Joshua Radin performs after this. Don't go away. Wow.